Hey guys, welcome to another video of our Python for Beginners tutorial, the road to the data science. And in this video, we're gonna cover the installation steps of the Python and Visual Studio Code for the Windows users. Now, in the previous videos, I covered the installation steps for the Mac users, but in this video, we're gonna talk about Windows. So, because I'm using MacBook Pro, I will just show you most important steps which you can run in your Windows machine, right? So first of all, on your Windows machine, go to the google.com and put there install, Python download Windows. Now, the reason why I'm not going directly to the page is because you can watch this tutorial later and the web page may change or the URL may change. So please follow these steps along. So put it there, and now you will see that there will be a result on the python.org, right? So if you go to the downloads, here in the middle you will have a big button called download python 3.83. Okay, please on your Windows machine click on this button. If I would click on this will download the Mac OS version for me because I'm using Mac OS. But if you will click on it on Windows, it will download the installer for you for Windows. After that, you will have this common installer script download for your Python for your Windows. You can click on it, it will be in your downloads. Please double click it and open the installation wizard. The wizard will have a couple of steps, but one of the most important steps is actually the first one, where please tick the option to add the Python executable to your path variable, please. You will see screen like this. Please click add it to the path and proceed with the installation. After the installation has been finished, you can open your command prompt. Now, command prompt in Windows is something similar to a terminal in macOS. And basically everything what I will run in terminal here in my MacBook, you will be able to run from the command prompt on your Windows machine. So if you open the command prompt and you put there the command python 3 space dash dash version, you will see the version of the Python installed in your computer. And as you can see, you will have the version 3.8.3. Yes, in the videos I will use 3.7, but 3.8 is higher version of that, and it's good enough for the examples which we will run in this tutorial. So please don't worry, run it with 3.8 or even higher versions. This makes no problems. Okay. Now we have the Python installed, we know what's the command prompt and we know how to use it. So in order to access the interpreter, you can just put there Python and run it. Please beware that during the tutorial I will use MacBook and I will write always Python 3. That's because my MacBook has two Pythons installed, the Python 2 and Python 3. Feel free to use only Python because only Python will work in your Windows machine, okay? So don't be confused when I will use Python 3 in the examples. Okay, and let's dive into installation of Visual Studio Code. If you go to the back to the google.com and you put there Visual Studio Code download, you will see a result for downloading the version you need. And please click the button under the Windows logo. This will again download for you the installation wizard. Please run the wizard on your computer. Again, the most important step in this case will be the screen where you can choose to add the code to your open settings. So please add tick these two possibilities displayed in the picture. Okay, after the installation, you have the Visual Studio Code installed and you can launch it. You can find it in your start menu. Open the Visual Studio Code. Now, when you will be in the Visual Studio Code, you can continue with our tutorial because everything will be the same in case of the Visual Studio Code on Windows and on macOS. Please beware the fact that you can also open the terminal in your Visual Studio Code on your Windows the same way as it is on Mac. In this case, it will open for you the command prompt instead of the terminal from Mac, okay? So don't be scared, you can run the examples on your Windows and you can follow along on your Windows. So that was just a very brief video how to install Python and Visual Studio Code on your Windows machines. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope I will see you in the next video.